Tiwari, what's up?
बहुत बारिश है.
So we just got done with our midterm exams and the way to celebrate is by going to New York, and we're heading to New York, taking the metro to Washington, from where we have a bus to New York. फ्लाइट बस का कैसे करते हैं
नहीं पता. जुग जुग गाड़ी ऐसा है, प्लेन ऐसा है, बस का क्या है, जहाज का क्या है.
जहाज का ये हो गया.
अबे वो तो जहाज एज इन शिप. Sunrise. I hope the view is spectacular when we get to the top of the Rockefeller. Okay, so slight change in plan. We actually didn't book the tickets for the Rockefeller, and they don't have the earliest slot, which is 8 AM. So we booked that slot for 2 days later, which is on Sunday. Today is Friday. So yeah, we'll come back on Sunday. And that's the Empire State. Look at this New Yorker. 2 coffees. No. Just kidding, one is mine. दादाजी वाले जोक्स क्यों मार रहा है?
जो जोक आ रहा दिमाग में वो मार रहा मैं बिस्वा नहीं है.
बिस्वा का जो जोक दिमाग में आया वो काड़ू रहता है,
इसलिए वो बिस्वा है ना और मैं नील है. एंड द कोल्ड जस्ट गेट्स वेरी बैड वंस द विंड स्टार्ट्स ब्लोइंग. एंड नाउ वी आर एट द वेसल. New York, I hate you. It's 9 AM and everything out here opens at 10 AM. Like, why so late? Like, we literally did not even sleep, and that's the price we have to pay. Everything's closed. And now to make use of time, we are going to BNH photo video. It opens at 9 o'clock and it's almost 9, so yeah, something's open in New York. Is like super crazy. If you're a photographer or a cinematographer, go visit that place. You'll be amazed by the technology and the kind of gear they have. Like, it's, you wish you want all the gear, like literally all the gear,
but then you would need money for it.
Yeah,
and it's like,
and Pranav is ready to front you the money.
Like, no, I'm not ready. It's
you
like,
can email him. He has like
6 times my tuition fee for the both years. If I want a professional video game,
I'll leave his email. Like, you can email him and ask him for money.
Sure.
He'll legit like transfer
we'll
it to you.
We'll start a fundraiser and then we'll buy some video games. Be like Neil.
Yeah, that would be cool. Would you guys be ready to fund me some money to like upgrade my gear? Let me know. Finally got the tickets for the vessel. We were so engrossed in the vessel that we totally forgot to check out the skyline, and it looks really amazing out here. grab some breakfast. And what do you want to have, bro?
Some dosa, man.
Who eats dosas in New York, man?
Okay, so I saw this video and then this guy makes amazing dosa and he's pretty famous here, so that's why we are going there.
Let's see. Let's check out the type. And now the very hyped NY dosas. I hope it lives up to my expectations. How's it, my boy?
खाने तो दे bro.
It's about alright. Oh, and this cart is located at Washington Square Park. Beautiful park, actually. So I heard Mamoon's Falafel. They do really good falafel sandwiches. So I got one. Just falafel, tomatoes, and lettuce inside a pita bread, like a pita pocket. It's about okay, but it's only for like $4.50, so I think it's value for money. And their hot sauce, beware, it's really hot. My lips, like, they touch the sauce and the lips are burning now. Crazy. The legendary New York Times Square. I think it will look better in the evening when it's dark. So we might come back again. But yeah, a little top secret. There's a washroom in McDonald's on the first floor. You need to use it because washrooms are really hard to come by in New York. Go to the North Face to check out a winter jacket. I need that badly. I really like that yellow expedition jacket, but $300. Got myself a pair of the Vans, and that's pretty much the sneaker shopping I did. Checked out all the stores, Nike, Adidas, quite a lot, but wasn't really impressed except for this store. Alright. They have some crazy. Any shoe you want, you'll find it here. So gonna go grab a pizza at Lombardi's. And how do we go there, bro?
We take a metro.
Metro?
Yeah,
It's
just one
walking.
station. No, it's not walking, dude. That pizza was like really heavy and we're so lethargic right now. We're gonna go crash in our beds and see you guys tomorrow because we're like totally exhausted, living on like 1 hour of sleep. I'll see you guys in the next video, and till then, don't you guys forget to be awesome.